You shape the air with a twist of your hand. A Dorade box rising like a castle in sand. Printed dreams in layers, your design takes a stand. Now the mold comes alive, fiberglass and dry. Spin it, twist it, shape the flow. Dorade boxes stealing the show. Catch the breeze, let it go. Building worlds with what you know. What you know. What you know. Fiberglass threads and resin collide. A sculptor's soul where the shapes reside. In your hands, the future's tied. Air whispers through your art. Each curve a beating heart. Mold the world part by part. Spin it, twist it, shape the flow.